Oh shit. Oh shit. He gets brighter every time, so. Oh my gosh, he's so bright. He's a shining star. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's so close, I can see his mouth. Ew! Bro, I just see inside your nose. Oh my god, bro. Huh?
I'm gonna go down your hill backwards.
Stop. Oh my gosh, without him it's so dark.
I know.
Since he's not that far, we got some light. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, go, go.
Down he goes, down he goes. We live in Bay City, Washington, so if you want to stand any bad mouth, right here.
Yeah, I'll include location.
My house is that big white mansion over there.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, hallelujah! Save mine!
Right there.
No, that's my house. And mine. No, mine. Mine. Mine.
He's so bright. He's a shining star.
Let me see.
See, it's so bright. You're so bright, dude. You're a shining star.
I know.
Are you, dude? Are you star formed as a human?
Yep.
Okay. Or are you demon?
He's a demon.
Maybe not. I'm demon. Dude, freaking stop being inappropriate, man. You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Hey, I'm gonna go in first person. Freaking run around. Stop. Stop. Okay, now, where is he?
He's over there.
What? First person.
He's like a shining star.
Dude, where is he going?
Wait, have them look at me.
They don't see it.
Seriously?
Yeah, stop. I don't want my videos being inappropriate. My videos are nice. Dude, where did Ethan go with my bike?
He's going around the block.
Come on, let's go scare him behind the van. Come on, guys. First person scare. Scare him. Oh, scare him. Come on. Pick up your feet. Apparently not. Okay, come on, fast. I have freaking binoculars. I have binoculars. Yeah, see? I can zoom in and out. Good. Freaking yeah. Bro, so he's coming down here, right?
No, come down up here.
He's coming up there? Oh shoot, which side are we supposed to go?
We should be on this side.
What happens if he comes up on that side?
I saw him turn down that way.
Okay. Guys, tell us when he's here. Tell us when you see him.
I can see him.
Don't yell it out. Where?
Daddy.
Yeah, I didn't even believe you anyways. Here, Kyle. Can you go over there and see if he's over there?
Wait, over where?
Where he, down the block? Can you?
Wait, I will run down there and see if I can see him.
Okay. Look at him run. He's so slow. I'm so close. Just kidding. I'm so far. But look at that. Fucking. Did not mean to curse. Guys. Okay, Kyle's way down there here. Zoom up for you. Zoom way. I knew you went that way. We're gonna scare you.
Huh?
We're gonna scare you. I think you're fine.
Well, I'm going again. See ya. And I'm not coming back.
I'm a freaking flash. I came up to you so. Oh, never mind.
Someone asked me if they could sell it. I'm gonna sell it to them.
Huh? Don't. You dare. Don't.
I'm just kidding.
If
No
you-
more people are going.
Dude, I just got this yesterday. Stop.
I know. No, you didn't.
Give me it.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I swear. Just let me go around the block one more time.
Tristan.
People are.
Don't give it away or else I'll fucking kill you.
Hey, you just got that on video. Edit it out. Edit it out.
Alright. You can show me that, okay? Please. Please. Do you know how to work YouTube videos? Please help me get that out of the video. Twice already.
How did you say twice?
Okay, let me pause it. Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah.
I just unpaused it. Second time I unpaused. Come on. Let's go down. Walk though.
I'm going to see which way it goes.
Okay, watch. Tell me which way. Watch. I'm freaking flash. Yes, yeah. Huh? Dude, I'm so close. Huh? Which way is
Go
it?
that way.
Okay, come on, come on. No, he was going down. Come on, let's just go. He didn't come back?
No, he hasn't turned. I'll run down there real quick and see.
Okay.
You stay up here. If he comes that way, I'll go.
The phone would help too.
What?
The phone would help because it has binoculars. Okay, guys, tell me when there's a bike coming that's supposed to be mine. I don't know if Ethan actually is selling it for a whole bunch of money, but I don't know how much that was, but I got it a few days ago. Hope my mom doesn't come home knowing that Ethan was riding my bike. Riding my bike around the block. Guys, he's actually coming this way. Yeah? He's going that way? So he's going back up? He's going back up? Going that way. So he's coming back up. So he's coming back up?
Yeah.
Here, watch. Come on. Okay. So you saw him when you were coming up, right?
No, I saw him. He was going to come this way. That's on. He turned. Coming back up.
But is he actually going up towards this way?
Wait. How about one of us stay right here? One of us stay right here.
I'm gonna stay right here.
I'll stay there.
Cause dude, he should already be up here. Is he actually making a deal with my bike? I'm gonna go down this way. It'll take me a little while. Kyle! Look, it's right up there. It's just there. Come on! Right there. Right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's literally right there. Are you kidding me? Bro. Where were you?
Oh, the guy who wanted to sell it to wasn't home.
What?
The guy I wanted to sell it to wasn't home.
Oh!
We are. No! Get it on camera!
Oh! A freaking leaf tornado.
Did you get on camera?
Yeah, bro, I think.
Okay, end the video.
Guys,
We have to sign out.
I'll see you next time, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, I bet that was an epic video. Let me see.
Stop.